All that's eliminated when you buy renovated and turnkey, which is what we have here. You can go cash tenants. My preference for neighborhoods like this is Section 8. Warren actually has a Section 8 shortage. So, like, dude, you get your pick of the litter when it comes to Section 8 tenants, right? All right, I got something for y'all, folks. 1741 West Market Street, Warren, Ohio. Coming to you a dollar shy of $70K. This is my favorite way to buy duplexes in low-income neighborhoods. Renovated, but vacant, okay? What I like about it being renovated and vacant is I don't have to go in and do a big, massive renovation. I don't have to bring in crews. It's all done for me, but they kept out the normal part of the turnkey transaction where they place their tenants in there, right? I love the fact that I get to do that myself, right? Because you want to put tenants through your screening process, put tenants through your standards, right? Oftentimes you'll get sellers who don't know what they're doing. They put in the wrong tenants because they have no clue what's going on. Or you'll also get sellers who will throw any tenant in there, oftentimes at inflated rents to try to bolster a sale, right? Here's the thing with inflating rents too, okay? You can get like a terrible bad tenant to pay an above market rent rate like once, okay? Like say you have a property and the market rent rate is like $1,000 a month, right? But you're trying to rent it for $1,400 a month. You could do that, and then there'll be like some terrible tenant who's getting denied by all landlords because they have like evictions and no job history. You know, they're just a fucking train wreck of a human being, and nobody will rent to them, right? So they'll see your overpriced unit, and then you're down to take money from anybody. You'll rent, you rent to them, right? They'll pay you once, and then boom, what's happening? You're going to evict them, right? So you get sellers who will, want to increase the rents. Like, oh, I got a $1,400 a month tenant, right? They know the tenant sucks, but they don't care. They're just slapping in that $1,400 a month tenant because it makes it look good to the buyer who's going to buy it, and then boom, that's your fucking problem, right? Situations like that. All that's eliminated when you buy renovated and turnkey, which is what we have here. You can go cash tenants. My preference for neighborhoods like this is Section 8. Warren actually has a Section 8 shortage. So, like, dude, you get your pick of the litter when it comes to Section 8 tenants, right? If you're local to Warren and you want to tour it before making an offer, just go ahead and email us. We will get you into the property. If you're hiring a real estate agent, lockbox and showing instructions and all that good jazz is going to be on the MLS for them. If after that you're ready to make an offer and you want to do it directly with us to save yourself the money from hiring your own agent, great. Send your information, send your offer to my team, sales@holtonwise.com, and I could type up the offer, transact it, work with the seller, work with you, coordinate the whole thing, broker the whole thing. If you prefer to have your own buyer agent representation and you want them to do that, that's fine too. Just note that the seller and Holton Wise, we're not going to pay them to work for you, right? So assuming they're not willing to work for free, you're going to need to figure out how much money they want to represent you. And then once you have that, they could reach out to you. They could reach out to us, rather, on your behalf once you figured out how much you're going to pay them. But again, if you want to save that cost, you could just reach out to us, and I'll handle everything. Sales@holtonwise.com. Can't wait to hear from you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.